Hello viewers, myself Vinodhini from Dr.N.G.P Arts and Science College. Today we can see about KDD process. Already we have discussed about data mining, how the data mining has been linked in KDD process. Data mining is nothing but searching of data from the huge amount of database. Likewise, KDD is also selecting of data from huge amount of database. So, both are interlinked with each other. Today we can see about what do you mean by KDD, what is the architecture and processing of KDD. So, KDD is nothing but knowledge discovery data. So, knowledge discovery data, before discovering the data we should have a prior knowledge of what do you mean by data. What are the relevant data available. So, based upon that the particular relevant data will be selected for the processing. So, here we are going to see about 6 to 9 structure of the processing of KDD. Behind that, first one is the data warehousing. Data warehousing where the bulk of data or the huge amount of data in all under the fields of medical, education, traveling, marketing, business, everything will be loaded. Based upon that the target data will be selected. Based upon the selecting of target data, the particular pre-processing will be carried on. The pre-processing structure includes first the cleaning or selection of the target data. So, as I said already, before proceeding or selecting of data, the selection of target data is very important, that is your data selection. Next is your data cleansing. Data cleansing is nothing but cleaning or avoiding of noisy data or the outliers or handling with the missing of data or missing values. We called as an cleansing or the selection of data. Next we can see about data transformation. Data transformation is nothing but what are all the target data available, whether the selected data has been targeted to the end user. If not, the pre-processing will be applied and the cleansing will be proceeded again. Based upon that, the target end users will be achieved. For example, if you take medical field, there are quotient of attributes are available. From that quotient of attributes, the significant attribute has to be selected and transferred to the end user. Likewise, another example you can take of the marketing or the business sectors. Task of advertisement will be available. From that significant advertisement, we have to select the target advertisement for the end user. This is called as a pre-processing or the transformation of a data. Next we can see about the data mining. Data mining includes n number of algorithms like regression, clustering, classification, prediction and description. Under prediction and description model, prediction comes under the supervised learning and description comes under your unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is nothing but sending the sample data. Based upon the sample data pre-processing, the particular data will be selected. After the pre-processing of all number of techniques like clustering or regression or neural network or decision tree, we will be selecting the prediction with the supervised learning. This we call as unsupervised. Unsupervised learning, the best example comes under your clustering. Just we are detecting something based upon the outlier detection. So, clustering and classification plays a vital role in our data mining pre-processing. Next, we can see about processing and the pattern evaluation. For evaluating the pattern, now we have selected what type of algorithm we have to use, whether we have to use regression or whether we have to use clustering or else we have to use the classification. Based upon selecting of classification or clustering of an algorithms, the pattern will be analyzed. The pattern, likewise we can say whether neural network is better than decision tree or decision tree is better than the neural network. Based upon that particular pattern availability and the usability and non-usability, we can select the pattern evaluation. By this, the whole KDD process will be analyzing one complete knowledge of that particular data. This we called as an KDD process and the detailed architecture of KDD process. Thank you guys for your patient listening.